All right, guys. So I did want to make sure we looked at just a couple more examples before you start working independently. So we talked about how to turn a number from scientific notation into standard notation. We're going to look at the reverse. So we're going to look at problem 11 real quick on this practice worksheet. So if we have 827,000, this is a big number. Okay, and big numbers are going to have positive exponents. So that means for number 12, where we have a decimal, that's a small number. Small numbers are going to have negative exponents, or a negative exponent, I guess. All right, so we have 827,000. In order to put that into scientific, we need there to be one non-zero digit in front of the decimal. So we're going to have to start at the end, which is where our decimal is located if there's not one visible. And we're going to move it to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So that's going to make this 8.27. We don't need all those zeros because they don't change the value of this number. And it's going to be times 10 to the positive fifth power, since that's how many times we moved our decimal. You're going to use that same idea to help you with number 12. But remember, it's going to make your negative exponent, your exponent negative, since this is a smaller number. All right, let's take a look at this bottom section. Okay, I think if we do an example on division, you guys should be fine with multiplication. So let's go ahead and talk about number 17. The first thing we're going to do is divide the two a values from scientific notation. So that's that 9 and the 2. And we know that 9 divided by 2 is going to be 4.5. Then we can divide our two numbers with the exponents, those 10s. So we're going to do 10 to the first divided by 10 to the negative second. But because these are an exponential form and they have the same base, we can use our shortcut from before, which is to subtract the exponents. So we're going to do 10 to the 1 minus negative 2 power. We're going to end up adding, since that was minus and negative, and this is going to give us 10 to the third power. Then we just put all of that together. So this is going to be 4.5 times 10 to the third power. And that would be these two numbers divided in scientific notation. And if you have any other questions, definitely let me know. But I think that should be enough to get you started. Be sure to follow along in Canvas with what you need to be working on for the remainder of class. And have a good day.